Here's a quick tutorial or walkthrough on my knowledge of how Kafka works. First of all, Kafka is a technology, open source technology, developed with a Apache server, or just Apache. Why? Because Apache is used as the systems manager by controlling databases, SQL. This is the software development lifecycle, or SDLC. First off, we have your central data or big data that upon search or query or reported will either give upon search or raise in stock market prices or change in data, right? It will update us, collect all the collected data, and then display it on a desktop platform or kiosk. However, it will collect it and arrange it in order of transaction dates or tasks added. Then it breaks it down. And in the cloud, it breaks it down in the cloud by going in a downward motion or vertical motion. Gets the first research results or first report and lists it. Then it goes again per milestone, then the second report. Lastly, it will reach the fourth quarter report. The first quarter report is generated based on the fiscal year or the year of operations. The year company starts. Not all companies begin at the 1st of January. Some mid-Feb, March and whatnot. Then it will display the information by use of a user interface, by using graphs, charts, etc. in percentage value. Why percentage value? So that you can easily equate or account for the percentage of the stock market it's raised or lost. Now let's say the 15%, that is the shortfall or missing report. Now here it's generated a pie chart that looks like a pie or Pac-Man and listed the majority shares as 85%. Then it displays the data on any device. That's why it shows a laptop icon. By any device meaning that it's a mobile hybrid app to load on laptops, smartphones, or desktops or servers. Then further, it will draw further reports or charts that will show you when and where stocks have depreciated or appreciated in value by way of arrows as the graphical user interface indicators. And then here on the left, it will have a by growth and track record of the growth of the stocks and the value of the stocks as it keeps rising. This also is useful if you want to preempt and prevent to prevent a financial crisis known as let me see, what's it known as? Recession. Yes, it helps you predict when and where to avoid or expect a recession. Then the last graph or figure will take the collected data entered or searched for by device, upload it to the central database, and go back to the central data. Now if I had to number it would look something like the following: 1, First we have your data, central data. Upon access or query by search or by values, depreciated stock market values automatically using an algorithm. Then it gives out feedback or responses at the second quarter. At the third event, then only it goes from second, and then it's downloaded, presented on your platform of choice. When I talk about platform, I mean a desktop or a server or a mobile device like a laptop or smartphone. Then it goes from there to reports by drawing reports. That's the fourth step. The fifth step is presenting the data in an easy, legible, readable, and understandable way by telling when, where to expect inflation, shortfall of dropping of stocks as per up to the minute in real time. And then that real time, the values of the real time data will output or collect and communicate using the lowest level in technology, using a binary string to communicate the losses. Now that binary string goes back and to the second step and lists the data in an easy, readable format, a sort of breakdown or milestones, or in programming terms, breakpoints. Once it creates the breakpoints, it then goes back to the reports and generate a report with graphs, figures, percentages, and all values or variables entered in the search result, which all sits on the central database.